welcome to this video. Thank you ever so much for watching. I've got a good one for you. I'm going to show you how to do keyword research, but I'm going to show you how to do it with ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how you can replicate an expensive keyword tool like SEMrush, which is very good. And I'm going to show you how you can get a keyword list that you can actually rank for and get research as well. The other thing that I'm going to show you is how you can take the data from ChatGPT and actually get confirmation that the data is correct. Little disclaimer for this video: you're not going to beat SEMrush. There's no or a paid keyword tool, because you're not getting live access to data. So just use it for ideas, use it for brainstorming, and use it if you don't want to pay for a keyword tool to get you started. As I say, I am going to show you a way to verify the data and make it more accurate, but it's a really great prompt and strategy to get keywords for any site that you want to rank. So looking forward to showing you. If you do like this video, do give us a thumbs up, do give us a subscribe if you're interested in building income streams with AI. I've got a lot more coming for you and some live classes as well. If you're really interested in get going fast, do check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page, and I'm put on a 4-week coaching program where we build a niche site together and a funnel, and you're guaranteed to make sales with it. The way that works is you've got 4 sessions, you make sales, or I help you until you do make sales. So do check out the video, that's in the description. If you want to join us and just get going, this will definitely help you. Okay, so let's have a look at the how to make ChatGPT a killer keyword tool. Here we go, let's get into it. Okay, so the first prompt I want to show you is this one here: act as a keyword research tool like SEMrush or your preferred keyword tool. Provide detailed keyword analysis for the topic, how to get a six-pack with the following details. Obviously change that to whatever you want, whatever you're researching. Keyword variations, list 20 related keywords or long tail variations. Search volume, estimate the monthly search volume. Keyword difficulty, assign a difficulty score from easy to hard. CPC, cost per click, estimate the average cost per click for pay-per-click campaigns. That can help you, because if people are paying good money to be there on pay-per-click, it's a good SEO keyword. Intent, categorize the intent for each keyword: informational, transactional and navigational. Search engine result page features, highlight if the keyword triggers special SERP features like featured snippets, video carousels or local packs. Competitors, list the top 5 competitors. And then opportunity, suggest which keywords to target. And check this out, we've got a little table here with how to get a 6-pack, estimated monthly search volume, and so on. Again, take this data with a pinch of salt. It will give you a rough idea. You're not paying a penny for it, apart from if you subscribe to ChatGPT, and verify the data. I'm going to show you that in a second, how to do that. But it gives you the data very much set out like SEMrush, the difficulty score. It gives you the top 5 competitors for that particular key phrase. It gives you keyword targeting opportunities, 6-pack workout, how to get a 6-pack at home. If you want to verify, or the best you can to get verified data, like you don't want to have a brainstorm, here's a prompt that you can use. Act as an SEO strategist and help me conduct keyword research for the topic how to get a 6-pack. Again, whatever you want, whatever niche you're in. Provide a step-by-step plan for combining ChatGPT generated insights with data from free or low-cost tools. Specifically, same thing here, keyword brainstorming, but then we've also got Google Keyword Planner integration. Suggest how I can use Google Keyword Planner to refine this list. Ubersuggest, or answer the public usage. So suggest how to expand, provide examples of the type of data I should extract from each tool, and then Google Trends analysis and an actionable strategy. And what that will do is coach you into taking your keyword list. There's generate a list of 20 plus related keywords, and then informational, transactional, navigational, and then it's giving me content ideas. But here's the thing, Step 2, refine keywords. You can then input the keywords into Google Keyword Planner to find the monthly search volume, competition level, average cost per click, and verify the data. The other thing you can do is expand using Ubersuggest or Answer the Public or any other keyword tool. You answer the public, extract question-based queries for content targeting. What is the best workout for six-pack abs? You can verify that from Answer the Public and you'll get what people are asking. Okay? Analyze trends with Google Trends. You can input keywords like how to get a six-pack and see the spikes and see if it's going up, down. Especially good for seasonal key phrases there. So that's a little bit longer, but then you can take those keywords and you can verify them. Again, you're not going to beat SEMrush, but SEMrush is $139 a month if you pay for it monthly. Even if you pay for it annually, $117 a month. So this is a little bit longer, but a great way to get started and fantastic for niche sites. So here we go. I want to show you one other thing. Check this out. If you're not interested in trying to create a SEMrush replica, what you can do, if you just want good key phrases, is use this prompt. Act as a keyword research expert. Generate 20 key phrases related to how to get a six-pack that meet the following criteria. High monthly search volume, low keyword difficulty, long tail variations, intent categorized as informational, transactional or navigational, suggest related content ideas or article titles for each key phrase, and provide the output in a table with these columns: key phrase, search volume, keyword difficulty, intent and content idea. So check this out. Not only is it giving me some key phrases that get a high search volume, estimated, it is estimated, bear that in mind, and give me an estimation on keyword difficulty. It's also giving me some content ideas, and I can get help with creating the content using ChatGPT. So I can take these key phrases that have easy six-pack abs workout without equipment. No equipment, no problem. Six-pack abs without workout guide. So there, the six-pack ab, no equipment workout guide, easy, 2,500 searches a month, estimated, verify that with a tool, and you're up and running with great keywords, and you've got a great little keyword tool with ChatGPT. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Give that, play around with the prompts. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'd appreciate it. I do. It lets me know that people are actually out there watching. Have a fantastic weekend. Check out the coaching if that's for you, if you just want to get going and actually do this together. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.